This is our lat pull down cable machine, lat being short for latissimus dorsi, which is the muscle that's on the side of your back. We do have an example here of how to use this lat pull down if in case you happen to forget while you're in the facility. You do have the option to change your attachment up here, but this is definitely the most popular attachment for a lat pull down. Before you get started, there are two adjustments you would like to make. The first is going to be your weight. On this machine, we do have 15-pound increments, and we have an orange adjustment pin that's going to change our weight. It fits in every single one except for the 15 pounds, and if you choose 15 pounds, you can just rest it here. It's a little magnetic, so it's not going to fall all over the place. If you notice, it does jump by 15 pounds, so if that's a little difficult, you can rent one of these additional weights from the front desk. We have 2.5 pounds and 5 pounds available. You just slide them on to add that extra weight, and then take them off when you're done. Return them to the front desk to get your ID back. All right. The second adjustment you'll make is going to be to hold your legs in place, and you have this orange pin here. You want to adjust it so that the pad is just above your thighs. It was a little high when I started, so now it's holding my thighs in place, so I'm not going to rise myself up with that weight. Go ahead, you have a few grip adjustments or options. So you can do a neutral grip or a wide grip or underhand. So in this case, I'm going to show wide grip. We're going to come down. This is our starting position. Go ahead and scoop your scapula or your shoulder blades back and down, keeping your elbows slightly out, tilting your body just slightly back, pulling with those latissimus dorsi muscles, bringing the top of the handle to your chin, and then slowly lower up. So there's a lot to unpack there. You've got your elbows out and bring it up. The goal here is to have a flat back. We don't want to arch, keeping it flat. Some people will tend to really hoist that weight, allowing their butt to come out of the seat. And while it looks dramatic, it is common. And we want to make sure that we keep it slow and controlled, and that we're choosing a low enough weight that our body and our latissimus dorsi can really handle the weight. So if you want to do that, you also have, like I said, your neutral grip, or you can flip it into a reverse grip, which is going to give you just a little bit of bicep action.